The people problem. The reason why most people don't succeed, or they miss opportunities, or they don't go after what they want is because of people. This could be, afraid of what people might say, or afraid of, what people are going to think of them. Come on. If you want to do something like, be a drummer, you're probably going to get some backlash. I can't tell you how many times I heard from my family, my friends, you name it, countless individuals, countless. They said you can't be a drummer. You can't do that for a living. Well, try to tell a doctor that. If there are music schools where people are paying to go and study music for jobs, well then, don't tell me that you can't do it. Tell a doctor that. We need doctors. Well, we also need music too. We need musicians. Because, let's face it, besides the medical field, one of the big fields is music because of the way it makes you feel. Music can actually make you feel good to the point where you're not sick anymore. I've seen that. So, it's a good idea whenever you're building a career as a musician, in this case a drummer, people can go fly a kite. Really, fuck off. Don't listen to what people have to say. Just put them on the shelf and go after, if you want to be a drummer, right? Let's say this is the Drummer Success Series anyway. So it would be a good idea, right? Wouldn't it be a good idea? So don't listen to people. That's what you don't want to do, okay? So that's really all I got for this particular video because this is a very short and simple explanation. I don't really have to go into all kinds of explanations. So stop listening to people. Stop listening to your parents. Stop listening to your friends. Stop that. Don't work a job where you're sitting behind an office chair and you want to blow your fucking brains out. Stop that. If you're not that kind of individual like me, I'm not that type of individual to sit behind a desk, then don't fucking do it. Just don't do it, okay? So go after being a drummer or a musician, whatever your chosen particular field might be in the musician field, and I'll see you next time.